Hello students, today we are going to see miscellaneous exercise on chapter 6, question number 9. A tank with a rectangular base and rectangular sides open at the top is to be constructed so that its depth is 2 meter and the volume is 8 meter cube. If building of tank cost 70 rupees per square meter for the base and 45 rupees per square meter for the sides, what is the cost of the least expensive tank? What is given? Depth is 2 meter and the volume is 8 meter cube. These two are given. So both are constants. The height is 2 meter, volume is 8 meter. They are given, so they are the constants. Then if building of the tank cost rupees 70 per square meter, that is also a constant. Building the base, the cost is 70 rupees per square meters, and for building the sides, the cost is 45 rupees. So what we have to find? The cost. The question is find the cost. But what is the condition? It should be least. Okay, so the cost we have to find and it should be the least. So the volume is given. The tank, this is a tank, rectangular tank. So the volume is length into breadth into height. The volume is given as 8 meter cube. The height is also given. So length into breadth is 8 by 2, that is equal to 4 meters. Because height is given as 2. The cost of constructing the base and also the 4 sides. So for that we need the area of the base. The area of the base will be length into breadth. It is a rectangular base, so the area is length into breadth. The area of the 4 walls. Area of the 4 walls will be, here you have one length and height. That side also length and height. So 2 times L into H plus this wall, breadth and height. Breadth and height. So 2 times breadth into height, 2 times length into height, this wall, not the base, the 4 walls. So 2h, take out 2h outside, L plus B. So area of the 4 walls will be 2h into L plus B. But h is given, the height is given as 2 meters. The height is 2, substitute h is 2. So you get 4 into L plus B. So the area of the 4 walls will be 4 into L plus B. So what will be the total cost? It is given 70 rupees for constructing the base and 45 rupees for the 4 walls. So the total cost will be 70 into area of the base. So the area of the base is length into breadth plus 45 into area of the walls, 4 walls. So 45 into 4 times L plus B. But L into B we already got it as 4 meters. Substitute L into B as 4. And 45 into area of the 4 walls is 4 into L plus B. 45 into 4 it will give you 180 into L plus B. So the cost, and you have 2 variables. When you are differentiating you need only 1 variable. So we have to convert this into 1 variable. So how do you convert? You can take from here, B is 4 by L. So B is 4 by L. So cost is 280 plus 180 plus L plus 4 by L. So we got this cost. The cost is least. This in the question is cost is least. That means the cost is least means minimum. So for maximum or minimum, what we should do, what is the first step? We have to differentiate the function with respect to the variable. Here the variable is L. Then second derivative also we have to find, and the second derivative should be greater than 0. So what is the first derivative? 280 is 0, 180, differentiation of L with respect to L. So it is 1, 4 by L. You know 1 by L differentiation is? Differentiation of 1 by L is minus 1 by L square. So 4 by L will become minus 4 by L square. So equal to 0. equate this to 0. dc by dl equal to 0. So to find the critical points, so we have to find the critical points. So differentiate and equal to 0. So we get L square minus 4 by L square is 0. So the numerator L square is equal to 4. L is equal to plus or minus 2. Minus 2 is not applicable because length cannot be negative. So you take only L is 2. Now we have to prove this L gives the minimum cost. So differentiate the function again. So 180, differentiation of 1 is 0. 1 by L square, differentiation of 1 by L square is L power minus 2, that is equal to minus 2 by L cube. Minus 2 by L cube. So already one minus 4 is the 1 by L square is minus 2 by L cube into minus 4, that will give you 8 plus 8 minus into minus 4 into minus 2, that will give you 8 by L cube. So that is greater than 0. So L is equal to 2 gives the minimum cost because you got the second derivative greater than 0. Now we have to find the cost, the least cost. That is, you have to substitute L is equal to 2 in this. So 180, 280 plus 180 plus L is 2 plus 4 by 2. So that will give you 4 into 180 plus 280. So that is equal to 720. 720 plus 280 is equal to 1000 rupees. The least cost is 1000 rupees when L is 2. The length is 2. Now the next question. Sum of the perimeter of a circle and a square is k. Perimeter of a circle and a square is k, where k is a constant. So that is given. Perimeter of a circle plus perimeter of a square is k. Now we have to prove that sum of the areas is least. So the question is minimum. The area is minimum. And what we have to prove, the side of the square is double the radius of the circle. So as I told you earlier, that all these type of sums, you have three main steps. First we have to check what is given. So always whatever is given is a constant. So it is given sum of the perimeter of a circle and a square. So let us take r is the radius of the circle, x is the side of the square. So sum of these two, 2 pi r, the perimeter of a circle, that is circumference, plus perimeter of a square is equal to k. So we can find one variable from here. Either you can find r or x. If you find r, it will be k minus 4x by 2 pi. Area. The area is least. So we have to find the area. Differentiate area. So before you differentiate, you have to convert one of these variables. Make it as one variable. So we can r square, we already written r. So we can write r square. We can change r square in terms of x. So k minus 4x by 2 pi the whole square plus x square. So pi by square this 4 pi square, 1 pi get cancelled. Expanded k square plus 16x square minus 8kx plus x square. So that is equal to 1 by 4 pi k square plus 16x square minus 8kx plus x square. Now differentiate the function. We have only expanded it. Differentiate. So differentiation is 1 by 4 pi. Differentiation of k square is 0. 16x square is 32x minus 8k. Differentiation of x is 1. X square is 2x. So for maximum or minimum, you have to find the critical point. So to find the critical point, dA by dx equal to 0. So dA by dx equal to 0 will give you 32x minus 8k plus this 4 pi goes here. 2x 4 pi by 4 pi is equal to 0. So here take the LCM. So 2x 4 pi, the 4 pi is here. So take the LCM. So 32 minus 8k plus 2x into 4 pi, 8 pi x is equal to 0. So 32x plus 8 pi x minus 8k, take it to the other side, it becomes 8k. Now we already got k is the constant, k is given in the question. So it is given 2 pi r plus 4x. So substitute, because we have to prove something. We have to prove that x is equal to 2r. So use the given condition. So we use k is 2 pi r plus 4x, because we have to eliminate k. We have to prove x is 2r. So that k should be eliminated. K is given as 2 pi r plus 4x. 32x plus 8 pi x is equal to 8 into 2, 16 pi r plus 32x. You can cancel this and we get 8x is equal to 16r, x is equal to 2r. This we have to prove that d square a by dx square is greater than 0, because we need to find the minimum area. The question is find the minimum, the least. So differentiate this function dA by dx. This is your dA. So differentiate this. So what do you get here? 0. 32 minus, this is 0. So 32 then by 32 by 4 pi plus 2. So 32 by 4 pi plus 2. There is no negative term at all. It is greater than 0. So x is equal to 2r gives minimum, because it is greater than 0 gives minimum area. So we have proved. Thank you.